Hello everyone, my name is Aldrin and welcome to my kitchen. So today, I will be preparing a very simple, very delicious and easy to prepare dish, lemon butter chicken. Let's get started. To start, we're going to marinate our chicken with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. So I already did that for 2 hours. So there you go, we already have our chicken. So what we're going to do is we're going to fry that with butter until golden brown, and we'll bring out the delicious flavor. So we just put 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll let it melt before we put our chicken. While waiting for the chicken, let's prepare our garlic. Lemon. We have our dry thyme here, but you can actually use the fresh one. It's much better. And then we'll add the chicken broth, like a cup. There. Heavy cream, lemon, some thyme, and now let's add our spinach. Fresh parsley, now we're going to put back our chicken, and then we'll let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and then we put it in the oven. So our chicken is ready. It has already been simmered for 5 minutes, so I can just eat it right now. So we're gonna put it in the oven. So our chicken is completely cooked now, and I just can't wait to taste it. It's absolutely amazing and it smells so good. So there you have it, that was my lemon butter chicken. So for complete recipe, please visit my website or my blog at www.sliceandcook.net. Thank you very much for watching.